front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then you need to tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to tap on Settings in this pop-up and then change it to Gestures. In this pop-up, select Learn or Cancel, and when you're ready, tap on the top left corner. Then access one-handed mode again. So now when I click, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. In order to make your screen smaller, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, I can see that it's enabled. You can always go back by clicking on this area or swiping up. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Then, to change your navigation method back, click on the top left corner, tap on System Navigation, and lastly, select Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!